Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber. So I'm always looking for an innovative mascara that actually works great. So the mascara that I have on right now is the Unlimited Mascara by L'Oreal Paris. This mascara is going to lengthen, it's going to lift, it's going to make your eyelashes look absolutely gorgeous like mine here. And it's all because of this bendable wand. So if you like the way this mascara looks and you want to see all about it, then first make sure you're subscribed and then sit on back, relax, have a laugh, and I hope you enjoy this video. So here is what the wand looks like on this mascara. So it looks just like a normal wand, but here's the innovative part. Here is where the wand bends. So I'm first going to put this mascara on using the wand the normal way. So I'm going to see how it turns out with the wand straight. So one tip when applying any mascara is to comb the back of the lashes. So you can see me here combing the back. This is going to make it so they're thicker. It's going to coat every single part of your lashes. So that is an amazing tip that I highly recommend to do. So another thing I like to do is to take the tip of the wand and comb that through the lashes. This is going to help separate those lashes. So with using the wand this way, it's looking okay, but just you wait. When we get to the bendable wand, that is when the amazingness happens. Okay, so here it comes. We're gonna bend that wand. So another thing I like to do is to put the brush at the base and give it a wiggle and then shake it all up. So give it a little shimmy as you have it at the base and shimmy it on up. And there is one other thing I like to do, and that is I put the wand up to my eyelashes and I blink. So here I am blinking and forcing my eyelashes down onto that wand. This is just another way to lengthen those lashes. So you may be wondering what is so exciting and amazing about this bendable wand. So with the wand bent, it gives your hand more control, which allows you to be more precise. It allows you to get to the inner and outer corner lashes a lot better, and it grabs those lashes from the base and it lifts it up to the top. Here is the comparison of using the wand bent and using the wand straight. Here is one completed eye, so you can compare to the right eye to the left eye that has no mascara on it. Now on to my other eye. I'm going to go back to the straight wand and start coating those lashes. So a lot of people say that their eyebrows are cousins and not twin sisters. I actually say that same thing, but I actually say it for my eyelashes too. My eyelashes do not look the same from my left eye to my right eye. My left eye always looks shorter, and that drives me absolutely crazy. Now I'm in the final stages of cleaning up all that mascara that hit on my lid. Here is the final look. I love this mascara. So normally when I'm putting mascara on, I'll use 2 to 3 mascaras. One to lengthen, one to thicken, and maybe one to separate. But this mascara does it all. I think it looks beautiful. I love what it does, and I love the innovation of that bendable wand. Well, thank you for watching this video, and as always, have a blessed day. Remember, Jesus loves you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!